My name is Padmasambhav Kulkarni. Padmasambhav, when you break it down, Padma means lotus and Sambhav means possible. But when it comes together, it means Brahmadev. So I'm Brahmadev Kulkarni.
How do you see the future of SEO?
Going to be the same, but other search engines or other places where people search, like Instagram, Facebook, they also have their search. They are going to take more and more space in Google. So I remember Neil Patel saying it's going to be search everywhere optimization, not just search engines. But
what do you mean by search everywhere optimization?
So how do you keep yourself updated?
I use an app called Feedly. There are many different blogs about all the different topics in digital marketing. So I have added those blogs there. And of course, YouTube is there. YouTube is my primary source of staying updated. But blogs do give additional information and some stuff that YouTubers won't get. YouTube and blogs. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, Padmasambhav, introduce yourself.
Okay. So my name is Padmasambhav Kulkarni. Padmasambhav, when you break it down, Padma means lotus and Sambhav means possible. But when it comes together, it means Brahmadev. So I'm Brahmadev Kulkarni. Well, that's my introduction.
Okay. Tell me about your experience.
So I've worked in my father's factory and my sister's with my sister's brand. In my father's company, I was looking at online presence. So e-commerce platforms like Trade India, India Mart, Government e-marketplace, Gem Portal. So I was getting a presence there and managing the products and inquiries from there, which led to a really good joint venture between EKI, which is now a unicorn company, and our Swami Samad.
Okay. So what software you were using at that time while managing all these things?
So mostly Google Drive was the one that I was using the most for Google Drive and Canva. We did not invest in any softwares as such.
Okay.
We were using all free resources available.
So there must be some pressure situations, right?
Yes.
So how you used to handle those?
So the way I handled those is, I always thought कि I'm just beginning. I don't have to take as much pressure. The pressure, मेरे पापा सारा pressure लेने वाले हैं. I'll be there, yes. Eventually, I have to learn to take the pressure. But right now, I'm learning. And in learning, there's no pressure.
Okay.
So,
okay, Padmasambhav, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
So I think my weaknesses in personal life become strengths in professional life. I overanalyze, which in personal life is it's practically a curse with relationships. But in professional life, analyzing things helps a lot because I get to think of what can be or what's wrong with the current process. So there's this term called crashing. I can apply my analytical skills to find the shortest path to achieve something, which really helps me out.
Where do you see yourself in, say, next 2 to 3 years?
So after 2 years, I'll still be working at STAENZ. After that, I thought I knew what I wanted to do. I'll get experience in a digital marketing agency and learn how everything works out. And I thought 1 or 2 years would be fine. But no, I now realize that I'm going to need more experience. So I'll be doing a job wherever suitable, wherever I'm getting experience.
ओके बट जैसे आपने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में अभी सीखा है अ लॉट ऑफ टूल्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर एंड यू वर यूजिंग ओनली गूगल ड्राइव जो आपके पापा के इसमें था कंपनी में था तो आपको नहीं लगता कि आपने यहाँ से सीख के वहाँ कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे या फिर कुछ सजेस्ट करोगे वहाँ पे कुछ इंटरेस्ट दिखाओगे
So the tricky situation right now is, now I know many things which I didn't then. But now we have shortage of capital.
Okay.
And we can't promote ourselves in the ways that I've learned here.
Okay.
So, but if things become better there, I am very excited to apply everything that I've learned.
Right. I remember Madhechi brand.
Yes.
So there also you can use things which you have learned here, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, Padma. So, tell me your comfortable module in digital marketing.
I am attached to SEO because that's when I joined. Yes.
Okay, so how do you see the future of SEO?
It's going to be the same, but other search engines or other places where people search, like Instagram, Facebook, they also have their search. They are going to take more and more space in Google. So I remember Neil Patel saying it's going to be search everywhere optimization, not just search engines. But
what do you mean by search everywhere optimization?
So as I was saying, Instagram has its search. Facebook, you can also search on Facebook. So if you want to search for some reels, suppose you saw a product or you saw something funny, you are searching by what happened in the reel. You're describing the situation and you're trying to get that. So even they are becoming search engines for lots of video content. And yeah.
But the intent is very different. When you are performing search on Google, your intent is different. And when you are performing search on Instagram, it is very different. So when you are optimizing your business for search appearance,
yes,
of course you will consider Google as a separate entity.
Yes, definitely.
So now Google is having AI mode. People are searching on ChatGPT. So the traditional search engine optimization that people used to do, how do you see the future? So Google is getting its business because all the websites are taking efforts to rank, to run ads, and build their authority. If Google pushes only AI mode, websites are going to get less clicks. True.
Which is neither good for the business nor good for Google in the longer run.
But it's very good for user.
It's very good for the user, yes, and Google prioritizes user experience.
True.
So the strategies for SEO will remain the same, but they will come in AI mode. Maybe so there are rich snippets in SERP. Similarly, in AI mode, there will be additions like that people can click and go to the product or to the website. And goal will be the same, that even if users are in AI mode, they'll reach the websites which have optimized for that query.
So earlier people used to search which is the best upcoming real estate project in this city.
Yes.
On Google. Now people are asking this question on ChatGPT or Perplexity or other AI tools.
Yes, sir.
So how do you see and what kind of changes you will do in your business?
On my website?
On your website or overall business, so that you can have your presence there.
So having a structured data is always useful for all or any kind of crawlers to read. Similarly, AIs have their own crawlers. That's how they are getting the information, and that's how they are processing the data and generating results. So having a structured data is still going to be useful. Just like there is robots.txt, there will also be LLMs dot something. I read about it. I'm unable to recollect it. So these optimizations will keep coming up, and my only thing is whatever I've been doing for SEO till now, all of that is good. Like E-E-A-T model. So I'll continue that.
What is E-E-A-T model?
E-E-A-T is experience, expertise, authority, and trust. So Google has this structure where it rates websites. So experience will how you write about something and how in depth you write about it. That will give your expertise, and how long you have been doing about how long you have been in the field. That will give your experience. Authority would be like if government of India is writing something on their websites, that is the most credible source, and they have the most authority to write about something. And trust would be how long someone has been in the game and what are people's reactions to the person. Has there been any bad publicity about a person or no? That will come under trust.
Okay. So now if you are doing SEO in 2025,
yes,
okay, how will be your priority? Say for example, sir, I'm going to implement meta description, or I will go with some other steps as the top priority change on my website. What will be your priority now?
My priority would still be a lot of text-based content. So I will still go for optimizing my blogs or page text content. Rest, I have a checklist which I'll make sure as many points as I can implement over the time, I'll keep implementing. So my priority would still be text-based content. So.
Do you see any relation between social media and SEO?
Social media, so those work as social signals. If someone else is talking about your website, even on social media, and let's say they are giving subtitles or transcripts, it's going to help our website. Google is going to get proof that the website owner is not the only one who is talking about himself in his website. There are other people too who are talking about this business. So that will enhance, that will give us better ranking positions.
What is long tail keyword and why it is important in SEO?
Long tail keyword.
You are going to perform keyword research, right?
Yes.
You will go ahead and try some keywords so that you can rank over there. Yes. So while performing the keyword research, you get to know about long tail keyword.
Yes, sir.
Why it is important in SEO?
I'm unable to answer that, sir.
Okay. Tell me about intent of the user. When people are searching something on Google, what types of intents are there and which intent will be important for you?
So there are 4 intents: informational, navigational, commercial, and transactional. I would aim for transactional and commercial intents. So an example for informational would be, that's where is Taj Mahal located? The user is trying to get information. Navigational would be who writes best about a particular thing. I'm trying to navigate to a particular blog site. And commercial is I would be searching best running shoes or buy running shoes, something like that. Those would be commercial intent or transactional intent keywords.
Okay. You have mentioned that you increase lead generation by 20% through strategic data optimization techniques.
Yes, sir.
Right, in your achievement.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me more about this? How you did that, and what were the steps you took?
So the initial process was being present on all the e-commerce platforms.
Okay.
So on Amazon, Flipkart, IndiaMart, Trade India, and Gem Portal.
Okay.
I made sure that the headings that we are using and the content that is there as a description in our on those platforms, that was optimized to the what users may search. And just being active there made sure that we are getting more orders.
So from which platform you are getting the most number of leads?
IndiaMart, sir.
IndiaMart.
Yes.
So you just listed there and you are getting leads, or you are paying there?
We were paying. Yes. We had I think the second tier plan.
And we are talking about which year?
2022, 23.
Okay. So now compare IndiaMart with your own digital marketing skill. Earlier you were dependent on IndiaMart.
Yes.
Right? You were spending X amount
Yes.
over there. Now when you have learned digital marketing, if you get an opportunity to spend the same amount,
okay,
what will be your strategy and how you will divide the amount?
Okay, let's say it's 1.5 lakhs.
Will you go with IndiaMart? Will you
No.
continue there?
That won't be my priority.
Okay.
Because I'll be getting the most profits from my own website. So I'll be investing in making a website and ads. That will be two things. I want to spend like 20% of my budget on long-term SEO. The rest, I want to have a focused goal for users too.
That you are going to do.
Yes.
In any case. So are you going to pay yourself?
I'll be using that money in developing my own assets like website.
In any case, that you can develop.
Okay.
So that 20% amount, where you are spending? 20% means we are talking about 30,000 rupees. So as you can develop website, as you can do SEO by yourself.
Yes.
So
in,
exactly where you are spending that.
Press releases or getting someone to take our interviews or asking someone to have a reel with us.
Okay.
So things like that.
All right. Go ahead.
So can I clarify the question?
Yeah.
So are you saying that money, will I still use it in IndiaMart or will I use it somewhere else?
Right.
Okay. So 20% for long-term SEO. Others, I want to have a targeted approach where there's a proper landing page and I'll run ads for that. I don't want users to navigate to any other products.
Which ad you will prefer?
I'll prefer Google ad for this.
In Google ad, which ad type?
Search ads. Yes. The people who will be using our products, they are NGOs, government organizations, and CSR managers. So they are more available on Google. They are searching. If our end user was someone who if our end user was our buyer, then I would have chosen Meta ads because reels and photo content would be really effective there. Yes, sir.
In Google search ad, you have two choices. You have a normal search ad, you have a performance max ad.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
In normal search ads, our ad will only be seen on Google search engine, the search result page. But in performance,
sure? You can also
Yes.
target third-party platforms like Display Network. You can also target search partners.
Okay, sir. Yes. Google search engine result page and search partners.
Okay.
And performance max campaign, in that you get to use all of Google's platforms and run ads there. Like you can even target on Discover, Gmail, YouTube, You can run display ads too. That becomes a performance max campaign. We are optimizing the results with a given budget.
Have you seen AI Max feature of Google search ad?
No, sir.
What type of AI implementations are there in Google Ads now? Any idea?
So we get many headlines, descriptions generated quite easily. You also get image generated.
Now Google can also change your landing page URL. If it finds the another page or the another URL very helpful, it can change your final URL. Are you aware of it?
No, sir.
Tell me about conversion tracking in Google search ad. So I want to track my conversions. What steps I have to follow? Make sure I'm not losing any conversion.
So in Google Ads panel, the left side we have tools. There we have conversions, and we can set we can take the steps to define a conversion there. Google gives us a code which we'll put either in the wherever the conversion is completed on our website. It could either be a thank you page or a checkout page. Once we set that up, our conversions start getting tracked by Google. And to ensure our conversions are good, I'll work the most on landing page, because that is a clear indicator of why your conversions are good or bad.
So when you are defining conversion, Google will ask you to have Google ad tag or Google ad code on all of your pages, right?
Yes.
Now it can be achieved through Google Analytics code also. I mean, either you use Google Analytics on all of your pages, or you can use Google ad code on all of your pages. What is the difference? Why there are two different approaches? There is Google ad tag.
Yes.
Right? Google will ask you to put this code on all pages. They are also saying if you have Google Analytics, that's okay. You don't need to put this Google ad tag. Then why there are two different options?
So right now, I believe that Google doesn't ask you to put Google ad tag on all the pages. You can put the Google Analytics tag on all pages, and the Google ad tag will put it only on the conversion pages. Sir.
But that is event code. On conversion page, you are putting the event code.
Yes.
But apart from the event code, all other pages, even your landing page,
yes, sir.
Your landing page will not have the event code. The event will fire on your thank you page.
Yes.
The event code will go there. Your landing page is going to have Google ad code or Google Analytics. Why two options?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. We are into real estate, and our monthly budget is around 15 lakh for digital platforms. Will you be able to handle that? Or you need some help?
I would need some help, sir. Yes.
What kind of help?
Right now, I haven't run any campaign. So, of course, there's a lot of anxiety before running a campaign. I have learned the things. I would need someone with experience to simply watch over what I'm doing initially.
But if you're already spending 1.5 lakh on India Mart and you're planning to spend on your own business.
Yes, sir. But I was working in my father's company. That's a completely different scenario.
There is no stress there.
No stress there. Here I would be out in the world, not in a protected environment. I would just need someone to watch over me while I'm doing that. The rest, what I've learned, I'll apply, because I'm pretty careful when I'm dealing with such stuff. Yeah, we just need some moral support, sir. Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, Padmasambha. So, as you are doing PGDM, and you can say you are building yourself as a team leader or manager. So, what do you think? What are the qualities, best 5 qualities of a team leader?
Patience,
Hmm.
primarily.
Hmm.
The way to point a mistake out,
Hmm.
and the proper timing to appreciate someone.
Hmm.
That is one quality that they should have. They should know when to be sweet with words and when to be direct, but not insulting to the person.
Hmm.
So good speech.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if I'll ask you to rate yourself in these 3 qualities, your first point was patience, second point was I guess how to speak, no? Speech.
Yes.
Third was also same.
Yes.
So 2 points you have mentioned.
Yes.
So how will you rate yourself? 1 is low, 10 is high.
Patience, I would rate myself 8, which
Okay.
I think is pretty good. 10 would be a saint level person, maybe. I think I'm good at 8. And communication skills, I would rate myself 7. Long way to go, but I still consider myself I'm good.
Okay. So let's say you are handling a team of 5 people, and one of them is irritating or not listening to you at all. So how will you handle that situation?
Most of the times these issues come because something happened at the home. If not, if the person is genuinely like that, then over long term, continuous input would make everyone's lives easier by the minute. So if the person's irritating, that I won't get irritated firstly, because
But what if he is not following the rules? What if he is not doing daily things which you have asked, and it is creating negativity in your complete team? So how will you handle this situation? Because everybody is not sane.
yes, I'll talk things out, and ask, why is this happening? Okay, if the answer is something genuine, but then I would still redirect him to, well, this is a professional life, and everyone's doing this. Everyone can do this. If you need help, I'm there. But if you just continue to refuse doing these simple things, it's going to come in our way of growth. We can't scale things which are not systematized. And scaling is going to help for everyone, you, me. So it's in the best interest of us both. So I hope when he sees that, he'll be willing to align himself towards the goals.
Okay, all right. So how do you keep yourself updated?
Yes. I use an app called Feedly. And there are many different blogs about all the different topics in digital marketing. So I have added those blogs there, and I read them. That's how I stay updated. And of course, YouTube is there. YouTube is my primary source of staying updated, but blogs do give additional information and some stuff that YouTubers won't give. So YouTube and blogs.
So have you used ChatGPT?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let's say I am handling a social media for say gym.
Yes.
And I am asking you to create a content calendar for a month for my brand. So how will you use ChatGPT? What command or prompt you will put?
So it's about a gym and
monthly calendar.
Monthly calendar. Well, so one thing I'll ask it to search for current trending things that people are doing, and not just ChatGPT. I would prefer Perplexity at the moment, and I would ask it what are the current trends that are going on, what are different case studies that have worked in the past, what are different social media campaigns, so that even ChatGPT gets set up and it understands where I'm going towards or what I'm talking about. After a little bit of talking and getting information, I'll be better equipped to ask it, okay, now generate, once it has given all the information and all the best case studies and current trends, then I'll ask it to generate social media calendar for the 30 days and include similar things which we have talked about.
What if ChatGPT या फिर complete AI disappears? What do you think? What will happen?
Initially, I want to say I will also disappear, but no, there are always forums. There are always people who have faced the same problem, figured it out, and written about it. So, without AIs, I was still solving problems by being on the internet. So, I would still be able to continue solving problems.
Okay. Which AI tool have you used while creating a video, making a video?
I have used Kling AI. Yes, Kling AI is the one that I've used.
What are its limitations?
Well, video generation, that itself is quite limited. Its limitations, firstly,
apart from credits.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. But
yeah.
If you upload a photo to it and ask it to generate video out of it, or ask it to move this bottle here or make the thing do whatever you want, it does not retain the exact appearance of the thing. Whether it's a bottle, it doesn't retain the exact appearance of the bottle. So if we have a very specific product, it's going to change some things about it. Then you won't be able to use that content. So that's one limitation.
Particularly text, right?
Text is a nightmare for all AIs.
Right.
And image and video generation.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, Sambhav, your resume is looking very nice.
So he will be adding one more point over here. No? So he has only mentioned DMEP. So PGDM
yet to
after.
Yes. So now it is time for our feedback. Do you have any question for us?
कैसा था सर अब तक?
नहीं, अच्छा था, बहुत बढ़िया था.
Can you tell me what can I do better, or where was I wrong?
That will be part of the feedback. Understanding of topic, maturity, question को सुनना ध्यान से, all these things are very good. You did very good on that part. पेशेंस के साथ आंसर करना. कई बार क्वेश्चंस हम लोग ज़्यादा भी पूछते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं कि सामने वाला देखें कितने में बोर हो जाए, बट यू केप्ट आंसरिंग दैट. कुछ जो मेरे फीडबैक रहेंगे वो ये, योर पॉजेज, pause that you taking pauses is a good thing, okay, but थोड़ा सा कम कर सकते हैं लोग कभी कभी.
Like I want to add something. He has already mentioned over analyze करना. So I guess वो आंसर देने से पहले भी ना ओवर एनालाइज करता है कि ये मैं बोलूं कि नहीं बोलूं. So it will hamper पर्सनल नहीं प्रोफेशनल में भी ये जो क्वालिटी है ना थोड़ी हैम्पर कर सकती है ना. सो पॉजेस लेते हो आप बिकॉज ये सही बोल रहा हो या गलत बोल रहा हो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. सो यू कैन जस्ट से आउट थिंग्स विदाउट थिंकिंग मच.
थोड़े लॉन्ग पॉज क्या होते हैं? लॉन्ग पॉज ये कहते हैं कि शायद से बंदा कंफ्यूज हो गया या फिर शायद से क्वेश्चन मेरा सही से गया नहीं उसे, है ना, जबकि यू आर प्रोसेसिंग. ठीक है, बट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन ट्राई, यू कैन वर्क ऑन इट, एंड वंस दिस वीडियो इज रिकॉर्डेड यू कैन ऑल्सो वॉच इट कि मैं कहाँ पे कितने पॉज लिया. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम जब आंसर कर रहे होते हैं या बोल रहे होते हैं हमें नहीं समझता कि हम कितने पॉज ले रहे हैं. सो दैट वन थिंग यू कैन वर्क ऑन. जब इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली होता है, पीपल नो यू, तो उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं रहता बिकॉज वी नो कि यू आर गोइंग टू टेक अ पॉज एंड देन यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड. बट इफ पीपल आर मीटिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम तो हो सकता है कि उनको क्वेश्चन लगे कि यार नहीं समझ में आया क्या, या फिर डाउट हुआ क्या, या फिर क्लियर नहीं है क्या, या फिर हर क्वेश्चन के बाद इतना जोर क्यों डालना पड़ रहा है. दिस क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड वाज वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. सो वो चीज़ थोड़ी नेगेटिवली जा सकती है कहीं पे. ऐसा. सेकेंड थिंग what you have to work on is when you are answering a question, कोशिश करो आई कांटेक्ट थोड़े बहुत मेंटेन करने की. ठीक है, when you answer a question आपके थोड़े आईज जो हैं नीचे जाते हैं, then you are thinking and then वो जो ओवरऑल फीलिंग आती है, इवन यू आर गिविंग द राइट आंसर, जो ओवरऑल फील आया उस जेस्चर से वो लगा कि बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड है. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा डायरेक्शन चेंज करूं या फिर मैं थोड़ा सा इधर उधर का क्वेश्चन पूछ दूं तो शायद घबरा जाए. जबकि हो सकता है नहीं घबराओ आप, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जेस्चर ना वो एक फीलिंग जाती है विच यू कैन थिंक ऑफ एंड यू कैन वर्क ऑन इट अ लिटिल. हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर आना जरूरी नहीं है, राइट. आई फेल्ट you feel very bad when you are not able to answer a particular question. Okay, that's one signal I received. So it is going to happen whenever you will face interview. हो सकता है मैं कोई ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन पूछ दूं जो रेलेवेंट और रिलेटेड नहीं है. मतलब अगर मुझे सामने वाले को करवाना ही है कि नहीं तुम आंसर नहीं दे पाओगे तो मैं करवा सकता हूँ, कोई भी करवा सकता है. So don't take that very seriously.
और सारे आंसर करने ही
ऐसा कौन सा प्रेशर, मतलब ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि जो सारे आंसर करेगा वही सेलेक्ट होगा किसी भी इंटरव्यू में. नहीं, हो सकता है कि आप बड़े आईआईटी का एग्जाम दे रहे हो, यू जस्ट हैव टू स्कोर 50%. जो आईआईटी का टॉपर भी है वो भी आधे क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पा रहा एग्जाम में, तो परसेंटाइल तो ऐसे ही रहती है उसकी. आप उठा के देख लो कट ऑफ कितने पे जाता है, जो टॉपर है उसके कितने सही मार्क्स आए. सो हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे आए ही जरूरी नहीं है, और ना आए तो बहुत दिल पे नहीं लगाना है. ठीक है, ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेन इंटैक्ट एंड फोकस्ड. ठीक है, ये नहीं पता मुझे, आई कैन एक्सप्लोर, आई कैन गेट बैक ऑन दैट. आई एम राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल, है ना. तो वैसा जो बहुत स्ट्रेस में नहीं आना है ऐसा. ठीक है, बिकॉज उसके बाद का जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सामने वाले को लगा ये तो डर गया या ये तो घबरा गया, तो फिर वो आगे क्वेश्चन ना समझ में नहीं आएगा, उसे मैं पूछूं कैसा. सो इफ यू डोंट नो दैट्स ओके, डोंट टेक दैट वेरी मच पर्सनली. ऐसे कैसे नहीं आया मुझे,
वैसे लगता है ऐसा एकदम शेमलेस लग जाऊंगा सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर आई डोंट नो पे दे दिए या
नहीं. तो नो ऐसा थोड़ा ना है. इफ द पर्सन इज विथ यू, हो सकता है ये भी सिचुएशन हो कि किसी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आए. अगर इंटरव्यूअर चाहे या अगर वो सिचुएशन बिल्ट हो, ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी भी क्वेश्चन का मैंने 20 पूछे 20 का भी नहीं आया. यस, इट्स ओके. वो जो रिक्वायरमेंट थी और उसके जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे वो डिफरेंट थे, है ना. आई एम प्लेइंग एट अ डिफरेंट लेवल, राइट. बट today I learned many things. अच्छा, these are also possibilities. I'm taking a note. But we very open कि सर और 10 पूछ लो, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है, I will learn. So
okay sir,
keep that attitude with you कि यार अगर क्वेश्चन के आंसर नहीं आए तो बहुत स्ट्रेस में क्या होगा, अगले वाले आप जो आते होंगे उसमें गड़बड़ कर दोगे. सो बेटर है कि हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा उसको सीरियसली ना लें. नहीं आता तो नहीं आता, कोई बात नहीं. इंटरव्यूअर भी जो होता है वो इसी को मान के चलता है कि यार देखते हैं मैक्सिमम अंडरस्टैंडिंग किसकी है, कौन टॉपिक को समझता है, कौन मार्केट में पढ़ता है, अपने आप को अपडेटेड रखता है. लेकिन अपडेटेड बंदा भी सारी चीज़ों से अपडेटेड हो जरूरी नहीं है ना, है ना. सो वर्क ऑन दैट, लर्निंग लो उसमें से, मगर बहुत स्ट्रेस मत हो बिकॉज बीच इंटरव्यू में वो गड़बड़ हो सकता है.
yes,
एंड विथ योर फेस एंड एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन ईजिली कैच कि अभी तुम किस सिचुएशन में चल रहे हो. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट वाज वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू सर.
मेरा भी सेम फीडबैक रहेगा. बहुत अच्छा रहा. टेक्निकली यू आर गुड. आप अवेयर हो चीज़ों के साथ. बस वो जो पॉजेस का लगा ना, मुझे वही लगा कि मैंने जैसे 5 क्वालिटीज पूछे आपसे, तो आपने इतना सोच बूझ के भी 3 क्वालिटीज बताए, 5 पे नहीं पहुंच पाए, है ना, बिकॉज आप एनालाइज कर रहे थे. सो अगर वो आप कम कर देते हो, पॉजेस कम कर देते हो, सो डेफिनेटली अच्छा जाएगा. आप कॉन्फिडेंट दिखोगे. जो कंफ्यूज दिख रहे हो ना, सो ना दिखते हुए कॉन्फिडेंट फेस आएगा सामने.
ओके.
और एआई के बारे में भी पढ़ना थोड़ा. वैसे तो आपने क्लीन एआई बताया मुझे, बट आई नो यू हैव यूज्ड मेनी टूल्स. हाँ, वीसीएम के अंदर बहुत सारे एआई के टूल्स देखे आपने, तो उसमें सिर्फ आपने आज क्लिंग बताया.
So yes ma'am.